Halo, saya Mugiono, Superintendent THIESS Component Rebuild Program yang lebih dikenal dengan TCRP. TCRP terbentuk melalui beberapa proses business case component rebuild yang dimulai tahun 2011. Semua menjadi kenyataan di tahun 2012, dimulai dengan terbentuknya workshop komponen rebuild. Saat itu saya sebagai senior supervisor dan kami sukses merebuild komponen yang jumlahnya belum terlalu banyak pada saat itu. Penghematan yang kita capai dibandingkan dengan OM 2012 sebanyak 16% dari 189 komponen yang kita rebuild di tahun itu. Kesuksesan ini mendorong manajemen untuk menuju ke level yang lebih tinggi.
Hello, I'm Michael Richardson, the TCRP Superintendent. I was recruited by Matt Petty via Brake Supply Company in late 2012 and commenced my employment in January 2013. Upon arrival, my job was to create a component rebuild center similar to that of Brake Supply in the U.S. My team and I started on February 1st, 2013. We went through and structured the operations, procedures, and manufacturing theories and documentation to that of an efficient rebuild center. These structural changes in the workshop roughly took about 3 months to completely finalize through the entire project. Our 12-month data concluded that we have greatly exceeded our turnover, savings, and quality goals that were set forth by executive management.
Regarding our overall financial performance, the TCRP turnover reached just over $7 million for the 12-month trial period. That turnover produced a 43% savings margin compared to the OEM pricing at approximately $5.2 million in savings.
The TCRP component program supplies components to the site in a timely manner compared to the OEM. The quality from the components is a big improvement over the OEM as well. Overall, the TCRP helps us here on the site to dramatically reduce our machine maintenance costs.
I think it's an excellent service that they provide and an excellent initiative that the THIESS Plant Department has come up with. There's huge savings to be made, and the service that we get from them is quite good. Their failure rate is a lot lower than the OEMs, and their turnaround times are much faster than the OEMs. If we want to have something here a lot quicker, they'll push it to the front of the queue for us. In doing that, the OEMs don't do that at all.
Kami telah menggunakan electronic database untuk melihat semua detail data, inspeksi, work order, dan komponen time sehingga efisiensi dapat terlihat untuk mengurangi cost komponen dan meningkatkan kualitas komponen.
I believe that we learn from any internal component issues that arise, allowing us to pinpoint failure trends and increase the service life of our components for the company.
Saya Septa Elianita Rigan. Sejak TCRP beroperasi di Balikpapan, kami mendukung dan selalu berkomunikasi di dalam hal pengadaan barang stok untuk TCRP. Maju terus, sukses TCRP!
Safety is the number one priority out of any other objective through the TCRP workshop. As the member of the big family of THIESS BSF, TCRP have ensured that they maintain and meet the THIESS safety objective on regular basis. The month-to-date and year-to-date REFR is maintained at 0, which shows that the group is focused on safety. There are a number of initiatives being taken to ensure people keep focused on safety. Bright Idea Safety Program, High-Level Management Safety Talk, Tahan Program, Weekly KPI Safety Report, and many other things that we have done to fully encourage people on safety. We've just reached 300 days safe working days here in BSF, and for sure we can achieve more to come. Well done TCRP, everyone safe every day.
There are several benefits from the TCRP, just to mention a few. We reduce component costs from the OEM. This in turn provides savings from the component savings in general, as well as capitalizing on keeping the cash flow in-house. By keeping the rebuilds internal, we gain all the failure modes and trends and can easily communicate to operations if issues occur to prevent unnecessary costs in the future. We reduce the dependency to the monopolized OEM suppliers within the country. This reduction can help lower component costs across the board, which has already been seen in the reduction of PEX pricing in 2014. We control more aspects of our maintenance program, and in return we can make more accurate business decisions on component life. All of the benefits previously mentioned combine to offer a lower plant rate, which help in more competitive tendering, as well as sustain the plant rates throughout the duration of the tenders once secured to ensure profitability of the tenders are met.
Saat ini kita merebuild final drive, front wheel, dan brake, dan hampir keseluruhan adalah CAT komponen. Kita juga merebuild rear axle dan front wheel untuk Komatsu haul truck. Rata-rata kita merebuild 56 komponen per bulan dan kemungkinan bisa melebihi target.
There are many challenges going forward within the TCRP, but we as a company must capitalize on these savings, quality gains, etc. to make our company stronger, more competitive, and more resistant during global economic downturns. As a result, we are in the process of expanding our workshop, which will now include rebuilding transmissions and torque converters. This too will be a challenge, but we will succeed and move forward and provide savings, lowering our plant rates and making TCI more competitive in the marketplace.
Pada tahun 2013, TCRP telah fokus dalam mengembangkan sumber daya manusia agar dapat mencapai target tahunan. Beberapa proyek tertentu telah dibahas oleh Jani Plan Operation Manager BSF dan Training Center Tony Borket yang bertujuan untuk mengembangkan keterampilan tertentu kepada mahasiswa yang terpilih untuk program TCRP ke depannya. Masyarakat setempat melalui mahasiswa politeknik di sekitar Balikpapan dan Jawa telah dipilih untuk menjadi bagian dari program tersebut. Mereka benar-benar belum berpengalaman bekerja di workshop, totalnya 21 peserta. Pengembangan dilaksanakan hampir 3 bulan dan sebagian besar aktivitas kelas dilakukan di dalam workshop. Well done, TCRP. I'm very happy with the success that the TCRP has had, and I'm very proud to have been part of the company transformation into a more self-sustaining unit.
My team has safely completed every challenge we have faced. We are growing more efficient with every day that passes, and we will continue to grow this program in the future to include more and more components. This will allow for THIESS to become a stronger, more profitable company through economic sustainability and effective savings margins in the future. I would like to thank all management that has made this program possible, and to my team for working hard and staying focused to safely achieve the goals set forth. At TCRP, we lower operating costs one component at a time.